Hello, kids! Let's learn fun shapes with Bunny! This is a circle! Circle! Round! This is a square! 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 Box! This is a triangle! Triangle! 3 sides! This is a rectangle! Rectangle! Long! This is star! Star! Shine! This is a heart! Heart! Love! This is an oval! Oval! Egg! This is a diamond! Diamond! Shine! This is a pentagon! Pentagon! 5 sides! This is a hexagon! Hexagon! 6 sides! Great job! You learned shapes! See you next time! Bye-bye!